Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply turn off comments notifications in your WordPress site. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're gonna go to settings and then click here to discussion. So settings and discussion in your WordPress dashboard. When you will be here, you're gonna see here email me whenever anyone posts a comment. Unclick it. A comment is held for moderation. And this is how we turn off the comment notifications. So yep, this is how we do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. What you want to do is just then click save changes and voila, here you go. So if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. Also, you're gonna see different post settings here. And by the way, if you're interested, you will have a lot of widgets down below in the description that you can check out. It's called elsite.com. And then you'll have also Elementor web editor in the description that you can check out too. And you can use it for your website. So that's pretty much it. Thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.